Famous casino in Goa. How to go in Sips Casino. Welcome to the vibrant heart of Goa, Panjim City. Before we dive into the world of casinos, let's take a walk through its charming streets and bustling markets. The city is alive with colors, sounds, and the aroma of Goan street food and drinks. Local vendors display handmade craft, souvenir, and spices that define the soul of this coastal paradise. Every corner here tells a story blending Portuguese heritage with modern day Goa. As you stroll through these lively streets, you get a glimpse of the culture that attracts millions of travelers from around the world. And here we are standing in front of the iconic Big Daddy Casino, one of the Goa's most famous floating casinos. Look at the sheer excitement. The place is buzzing with energy as post pupils line up at the ticket counter, eager to try their luck. You can feel the thrill in the air as tourists and locals step inside, ready for a night filled with entertainments, games, and glamour. The crowd here is proof of how popular the casino culture has become in Goa, where nightlife blends seamlessly with adventure. And if you want to go inside, then you have to buy ticket from this ticket counter of Big Daddy Casino. Every casino have their ticket counter in this main road, and after taking ticket you have to go to in main ships. Later I will show you where these ships standing and how you can go. First you have to go in this counter. If you want to go in Big Daddy Casino, you have to go to Big Daddy Casino counter, take ticket, then casino employee will take you a small boat, and that small boat will take you to a big ship, because Big Daddy Casino, Delton Royal, Delton Jack, Casino Pride, every casino have their floating ships in Mandavi River. These casino located in Panjim city, and at night you can see real vibes of Goa. And one more important thing, don't buy ticket from scammers, because lot of people will try to sell their tickets and they will try to scam you. Please avoid these types of people. If you want to go inside, please take ticket from the authorized counter, and every casino have big counters in the streets. You must recognize real counter and you must buy ticket from there only. Goa's casino are not just buildings, they float majestically on the Mandavi River. This is Mandavi River as you are watching. Each of these cruise ships houses a world of entertainment within, from Big Daddy to Delton Royal, Casino Pride, and more. These ships light up the river every night. Standing here, you can see the grand lineup of floating casinos, each offering a different experience, from poker tables and slot machine to live performance, and fine dining. They are not just places to gamble, but destination of luxury and excitement. As you are watching, there is small boats, and small boats will take you from ticket counter to these large ships. And these large and luxury ships, it is like a five-star hotels. And inside casinos you can have unlimited dinner, unlimited drinks, and unlimited gaming. But for gaming you have to pay, but for food and drinks you no need to pay anything. As you are watching, these are Big Daddy, My Casino Pride, Casino Majestic, Casino Pride 2, and total 4 large casinos situated in Mandavi River. As you are watching, these small boats will take you from ticket counter to big ships. But Goa is not only about casinos. As the night deepens, let's step away from the river and explore the streets of Panjim at 2 am. The city takes on a different charm, quieter, calmer, yet still glowing with neon lights and late night cafes. These streets show the other side of Goa, peaceful, serene, and perfect for a midnight walk after a long day of adventure. And you can see many international brand and many cafes, international cafes in this street, in this Panjim city. Panjim city is not too big, it's very small I can say, but you can see many international brands here because Goa is a tourist place, or I can say it is a heart of tourist. Large number of tourists coming from different countries. Its region many brand taking their shops, taking their franchisee in Panjim city and in Goa. The next morning, Goa greets us with a new face. The historic Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Church, known for its dazzling white facade and elegant stairways. This church is one of the Panjim's most famous landmarks. Built in 1609, it is a symbol of Goa's Portuguese past and spiritual heart. Standing here during the day, you can truly admire its beauty. Calm, majestic, and timeless. It's a reminder that Goa is not only about parties and nightlife, but also about culture, history, and faith. If you will go right side of this church, that means Behind this church, around 1.5 kilometer, you will get Fontaine House. As you are watching, that red car is going towards Fontaine House. Fontaine House is also a famous place in Panjim city, and there you can see Portuguese colony. In next video I will take you there, but in today's video not going to end up here. I will show you some more interesting things. Please be with me at the end of this video. And finally, our journey ends at one of the most breathtaking spots in South Goa, Palolem Beach, with its golden sand, swaying palm trees, and calm tortoise water. Palolem is a paradise of anyone seeking peace and natural beauty. It's the perfect place to relax after the thrill of the casinos and the bustle of city. As the waves kiss the shore and the sun sets in the horizon, Palolem reminds us why Goa is called the land of endless experience. So, this was a glimpse into the world of Goa, from its lively streets and historic churches to the dazzling casinos and serene beaches. Meet you in next video. Till the time, bye bye. Thank you for watching.